Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all doing well. Today's video is all on my experience with the global game jam I competed in. It was a load of fun and I'm definitely going to do another one in the future. The theme of this year's game jam was duality. So pretty much like the opposites of each other, like, you know, yin yang, like positive, negative sort of idea. So yeah, for my game idea, it's about a cube that changes color every 5 seconds. So you got black and white. If the white cube touches the black cube, then you get destroyed and you have to start again, and vice versa with the other color. And you have to search for your colored platform with the sprite mask. So with this sprite mask, you hover the mouse over the screen and then it reveals the platforms. If you were to not move the mouse at all, the platforms would be completely invisible. I was watching Blackthorn Prod's videos and he uses this quite often, and I thought I would implement it into one of my games. And I thought it worked quite well with the theme of the game jam as well. So I ended up presenting this game in front of the rest of the game jammers and about 3 judges, I think it was. I ended up winning the best solo game mechanic, which is really surprising. I wasn't expecting to win anything, to be honest with you. I was going in it for the experience itself, really. And it was a lot of fun to compete and try and make a game in that short amount of time. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm clearly enjoying myself here, looking very intently whilst I'm playing the game. You know, trying to impress the crowd a little bit, you know, show off my amazing gaming skills. So I also want to go through the process of actually making this game. So as you can see, I started off with very basic, like simple movement. Nothing special at all, just a simple jump. Maybe I think I added a double jump. There was a little bit of a bug going on with the jump at the moment where if you're even close to a platform, you're allowed to jump. I think I need to change the colliders with the ground check, because I think the cube thinks it's on the ground all the time, which is not good because you can just infinitely jump, but no one knows that. So yeah, if you're going to play the game, that's a little cheat for you. Okay, so next was getting the color changing mechanic working. Surprisingly for this, I actually did the code myself. I didn't actually copy and paste it this time, as I'm so new. This is like the first bit of code that I've actually properly done myself, which is very surprising. So as you can see, I made a coroutine for each color. So every time it swapped color, it would then wait 5 seconds, and then if that color was to collide with any other game object of the opposite color, it would then destroy the game object. Yeah, nothing too advanced, but yeah, I was pretty impressed with myself with this, considering yeah, I'm so new. I felt like the pressure of the 48 hours kind of I don't know, gave me a boost in confidence, and I decided to you know, get more done. So as you can see, here's the collision action. If the white cube collides with the black platform, it destroys itself, and if the black cube collides with the white platform, it then destroys itself. So after I got all that working, I then worked on the sprite mask. This was pretty easy to implement. It was just an empty game object which I applied to the mouse, or made it follow the mouse, so that you could reveal the cubes with, or the platforms with, your mouse. I really think this added like a layer of like difficulty to the game. I think if I didn't add this, it wouldn't be as good. I think it would just be pretty easy, to be honest. But considering you have to use the mouse and, you know, jump from cube to cube, waiting for like the timer to run out and stuff like that, I feel like it's a pretty good challenge if you're looking for a really rage-inducing game. So yeah, to make the game even harder, I decided to add moving platforms. The moving platforms, actually, you can't actually stay on them. You have to move with the platform, which makes it even harder again. So yeah, maybe that wasn't a good idea, but if you can manage to, you know, get past all of that, I've added a "you win" screen. There's a little green platform at the very top that if you land on it, you get a UI pop-up saying that you've won. I've only ever completed my own game once, so that just shows how hard it is, and it took a couple of days of practice to actually even complete it. So yeah, I challenge you to give it a go and see who can beat the world record of the fastest run. So yeah, moving on to the final gameplay. So this is how the game looks like right now. Color changing background, added a bit of post-processing, make it look a little bit nicer, make the cubes glow, and yeah, I think it looks a nice minimalistic game. This time around I decided not to do any artwork for it, as I normally, you know, spend a lot of time creating characters and stuff like that. I decided to just focus on the programming side of things first and get a good game mechanic of making it look good. So yeah, if you want to check out the game, the link will be in the description, and let me know how you get on over on Twitter. Just tweet at me and tell me how your amazing experience with this horrible rage-inducing game was. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.